To God be the glory. I just want to show you where to put your hands, where to start the note from GG. You can go to the third octave like this. No, second octave to start. So that is G, G, A, B, C, back to that G. Then back, now go forward to C. Stay back to G. Then D and E. So you now want to continue the second line E, F, A. The E and F are together already. Then A back to the second octave. And that F, E, C will now be from that F on the right. So then we have E, E, D, C, D still on the same octave. Then it's like we are starting all over. That's the third line you're seeing on the board there under that G, G, A, B, C, G. Then C, D, G, then D, E, then E, G, F, and D, C, B. You can see the notes are together then. C, E, E, D, C. That is the verse, okay?
Okay.
Now to the chorus. We have E, F, G, still on third octave now. We started the verse on second octave G, but now third octave. That's twice. Then we have G, E, C. Then D, E, D. Then the next line will be D, E, F. See, my hand was on D, so then 2D, 2G. G, that's on your right hand, then F, E. Then we're going back to that third line now. So that line. Then the last one, E, G, that's E, G, F. This C, B now. Then C, E, E, D, C. So I believe when you watch this, you'll be able to play it. Let me play it one more time. So just listen to it one more time as we round up, okay?
Okay.
Now, then the chorus. So finally, So if you now want to play with the chords, that will be for another day, but you can play with the chord. So that is what we're rounding up for today, okay, Ifeoluwa?
Okay.
So I'll send you this video later. Bye for now.